In this video, I will tell you how to fix Galaxy Wearable app keeps crashing. So it is easy, so please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Galaxy Wearable app. Now tap on App Info. Now tap on Storage Usage option. After that, clear the cache. Now clear data. OK. Now the next step is go to Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS or iPad. Tap on Search option. Tap on Search bar. Type Galaxy Wearable app and then tap here. And here you will see update option. So simply update this to latest version. This will fix the crashing issue for you. Hope you will like this video. Thanks.